Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Lexus RX 350. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make certain both vehicles are completely turned off and placed in either park or neutral. Carefully position the assisting vehicle so it is close enough for the jumper cables to comfortably reach both batteries, ensuring a safe and efficient connection process. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Lexus RX 350's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Always double-check that these connections are firm and do not touch any other metal components to prevent short circuits. Moving on to the negative cables, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. For the final connection, attach the other black clamp to an unpainted, sturdy metal surface on your Lexus RX 350. This grounding point should be away from the battery and any moving engine parts, ensuring a safe and effective circuit for jump starting. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This charges your Lexus RX 350's battery. After this period, try starting your vehicle. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First, remove the negative clamps, then the positive clamps. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.